This is the final video to fix the voice chat option disappearing and being replaced by voice data usage in Roblox. And if you've been struggling with this, you're not alone. Many players notice that their voice chat suddenly changes or disappears because Roblox updates settings automatically or conflicts with account permissions, making it confusing to restore. Most tutorials on YouTube are long, messy, and hard to follow, showing complicated steps that don't always work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes this in just a few clicks without any technical hassle. All you need to do is check your account age settings, verify your email, and reset the privacy permissions in the correct order, and your voice chat will reappear instantly. This method works for both PC and mobile, and you won't need to dig through endless menus or risky scripts. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with every click explained, comment below, and I'll make it for you.